Good morning. Today we got a good one. We're putting this Reverb AXS XPLR dropper seat post on this specialized Creo. And if you don't know, it's not just a dropper post. It's a dropper post and a suspension post, which is killer. So follow this video and see how we do it. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to install a RockShox Reverb XPLR dropper post on this Creo. These things are super cool. If you don't know, it's electronically actuated. And on a drop bar bike, with the updates on the firmware, you actuate the dropper by hitting both shift levers when you have a 1x system. So it's real intuitive. You can't mess it up. Boom. Hit both of the levers. Actuates the dropper. The other cool thing about the Reverb AXS XPLR dropper seat post, once you drop it a little bit, it becomes a suspension post. So you air it up with this little air valve on the bottom. These require approximately double the body weight of the rider, which can be a lot. So Bob is a active rider, mostly road, but that suspension will be very, very comfortable on rough terrain, rough roads, etc. Maybe a little gravel. So we got this thing pumped up about 400 pounds, maybe more. So, but they're rated up to 500 PSI, which is unbelievable. One thing you want to do on these is grease the O-ring on the cover for the Schrader valve because they get pretty sticky. So anyway, AXS XPLR Reverb for the Creo. So of course, when you're putting on a new seat post, you want to make sure that you measured your fore and aft and height on the original post, which we did. What we're going to do for this, the Reverb AXS is a non-offset head, and conveniently this client wanted his seat a little bit further forward, so this is going to be super easy. We're going to run the seat 1 centimeter further forward, open up his hips a little bit, get him a little more comfort, and also get him a little less reach. So right now we're almost identical to where he was, nose to center of bar, and we're going to move that seat forward 1 centimeter. All right, so first thing you got to do, press and hold, get that light, wait for it. Okay, now we're in pairing mode. Then we're going to go right to here. Watch that. Should go. Let's see. There you go. And we're going to do this guy right here. Ready? Okay. Boom. And then right here. Done. That's it. Super simple. Now to actuate the dropper on a 1x system, you just hit both levers together. Boom. That's it. And that actuates your dropper. Open and drop it down for height and clearance. And when it's down, it has the functionality of a suspension post. So that's it. So let's check it out. All right, check it out. Hit both. Boom. And when you go down a little, you got suspension. Nice job, RockShox. Cool. Thanks for checking it out. Highly recommend that if you're thinking of a dropper post, especially if you already have an AXS drivetrain on your mountain bike, gravel bike, road bike. This is a killer way to get suspension and drop at the same time. And you have a spare battery, which is not a bad thing if you have an AXS drivetrain. Right on. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.